Hi. Okay, The Courage to be Disliked. It is one of my most favorite books, of course, but I'm taking you on a parallel journey to this topic. So, if you're somebody who's worked in the creative space, especially on sets, etc., and even the corporate actually, what happens is a lot of people expect to be mothered and fathered, and a lot of people want to be mothers and fathers to people because that's the only way they know how to create power structures. What happens is most people are not used to boundaries. They're not used to people being clear with you. They're not used to clear cut. This is your job. This is my job. Emotionality is in the purpose. It's not in the person, and this is very hard because people spend a lot of their time and energy in creating what I call loyalty, like emotional loyalty, but it's not necessarily linked to your skill sets. And over time, most people who are ambitious will realize that okay, all the loyalty in the world does not account for lack of skills and lack of composite skills, like team skills, etc. And the mothering and the fathering is actually causing you a lot of harm. And if you're somebody who's very purpose led, you will stay very true to the purpose. You'll forget everything else in the process, and this is not very well received. People don't like it when you're like, okay, I am okay to be disliked as long as I stay true to the purpose that I have set out to do. But I think it's a very very important thing because it's only when you know how to say no. It's only when you say okay, hold on. It's when you create boundaries. When you say I'm not your parent. When you say you're not my child. And even in transaction analysis, you do for adult relationships. When you are able to say no very clearly. When you're able to say not now, tomorrow. We can't do this right away. When you revoke access, when you don't tolerate disrespect, all of this is not looked very favorably. You will be called many things. You'll be called hard. You'll be called sometimes if you're a girl, you'll be called a bitch. You'll be called a boss woman. All of these words which are derogatory, and that's absolutely okay because most purposes require you to take hard calls. They're not what I call. They're not flimsy things. They're not sugar and spice. They are hard calls, and of course, it requires you to be disliked. And the courage that you cultivate for that will serve you really, really well in life. And I think the sooner you do it, the better it is. Because as you go ahead in life, your purpose will become bigger and bigger. And then, if you want to co-create larger things in life, you will learn to revoke access the moment people cross lines, and that's absolutely normal. No, what do you do?